good, isn't it? Okay, we are now ascending 380 feet to the top of the tower. Takes approximately 69 seconds. We're passing through 2,500 tonnes of iron, which, as you can see by the scaffolding, is being replenished at the moment and painted, which will take 7 years to complete. Yeah. When we exit, we'll be going through these doors behind me to the brand new skywalk. If you're a bit nervous about going on, you can just go to the left or the right and miss it. You don't have to go on it. If you are brave enough to go on, the glass is 5 centimetres thick, it's triple laminated, and I have been reassured by the engineers that it can hold the weight of 5 tonnes, so you are all safe, you're not going anywhere. We have also got one level outside open, up the blue spiral staircases if you fancy it, but we do operate a non-smoking policy up there, okay? And when you do want to come back down, just make sure you go round the side and through those doors at the back there, we'll let you down that way. Alright?
They should have 25 years.
Could you imagine being up here in 1894? Could you imagine on a windy day? Yeah. Your mate fell off the day before.
He's nearly a quarter of a mile. That's all. That will go down well with me. There you go, thank you. Yeah. See you on the way back down.
You will.
Hopefully.
Oh. Well, the guy at bottom said it's quick. He said, well, it's quicker if you jump out. Oh, yeah, thank you very much. Yeah. I don't think so.